Hey, recently Figma introduced slots and we are using them in Silk. It's a really smart feature and I want to show you how it works. We will start with the model example. This is a model and so far you have been able to modify some elements of it. You could have done it in the right side panel if you were lawful good. You could right here. Or you could have modified the elements directly on the canvas. But always when it came to modifying the central part of it, there was an issue. There were lots of workarounds, detaching the component being one of the most popular ones. But now you can see that there is this pink highlight in the middle, and this is a slot, and it changes everything. So I have modified already my component here, the top, the bottom, the way I need. And now I want to put some text inside. So what I can do is I can just press T and start typing inside. And this is pretty awesome. I can also create a frame with some properties like spacing, and I can drag and drop it. This is particularly useful in case you have more elements. Like here we have a newsletter one, which has both text and input field. So I'm just going to drag it here, fill, and it's done. It behaves like a normal auto layout frame, so I can hug it as well. If I missed some elements, I can still add them. So I'm going to search for an icon that I'm going to use as a graphic element. Okay, here we have an envelope. Let's make it beautiful. And I can just drag and drop it. And this still retains connection to the main component. I can go to main component and it's not detached. It's still the same model. It will receive all the updates I get from the design system.